Okay, it's Wednesday, May 21st. This is Weather Outlook for PA, New Jersey, Delaware. This is our weather summary. Rain, cold, best way to describe it. And we'll look at Memorial Day, which we might not, we may squeeze out a decent day. Okay, so to start us off, this is the amount of rain that we're expecting between now and Saturday morning. And as you can see, it's centered mainly out here in western half of PA, and there are some heavier patches to the north of PA, and lighter amounts down here. But generally, everywhere you look, I mean, it may be a couple tenths under, but basically everybody's looking between an inch to 3 inches of rain, um, with a lot of areas getting two in those orange colors. But there could be an area or two that gets underneath a heavy band that can get up to 3 inches. But for mostly everybody, even these blue areas in here, it's right around an inch. So everybody's going to get something. Now, this is a simulated radar around 6 o'clock. And as you can see, the heaviest of rains, even some thunderstorms and some downpours are out here in western PA. Lighter amounts of rain to the east. It's not raining all the time, but as of during the day today, but there's rain moving to the east. It'll eventually get to Delaware and it'll get to Jersey in time. This is around 8 o'clock this evening. You can see still pockets of heavy rain. Even a thunderstorm could be out here. You can see some down here by Harrisburg and south, a little bit heavy up towards Bradford and Erie. You look out to the east here, it shows kind of like there's a gap here where there's not much at all, maybe some drizzle or mist. And then up here in the Poconos, you got rain, you got some heavier rain, maybe mixed in moderate rain. And then as you can see, as you look south down here towards Philly, Jersey, you got some more showers moving in there. We moved this out to around midnight, and things are calming down a little bit out in western PA, but there's still some pockets of moderate rain. As you can see here, there's kind of a little line here to the west of Philadelphia here that's kind of getting its act together, and I think that's going to move east. And it's just basically moderate rain. It's not a deluge like I drove through last week, so that's a good thing. But if you just move this up 1 hour, and you can see it's got a line through here. And again, some heavier rain could be down here towards Delaware and South Jersey. But out here in western PA, you can still see there's some moderate showers out there, kind of mixed in. This takes you to it's around 6 o'clock in the morning. You can see that line is now formed off the coast here. As it was moving, you can see it moving across. See, it kind of formed a line here. This was about 4 in the morning. So, yeah, there could be some thunderstorms and stuff in South Jersey and even parts of Delaware. But we move this out and we get to around 8 o'clock in the morning. Still rain, not a complete rain out all the time, but some areas will keep light rain going on. This is noontime tomorrow. You can see some moderate rain down through here. These are the yellows. We move this to later in the afternoon. This is around 4 o'clock. You can see there's still some rain out here in western Pennsylvania, off and on in central PA, down towards South Jersey, and Delaware, and southern PA, off and on, northeastern PA, and northern New Jersey. Pretty much you're getting your rain. You can see this thing spinning. This gets to around 8 o'clock Thursday night. This storm is moving off. This is coming in from the west. It's just a line of showers that are just basically almost like squalls. If you can see in the picture here, there is snow up in New England, and I'll show you that in a second. So I'm just going to run this through. This is Friday around noontime, and you can see it's still, if you're north of 80, you still got a chance of some showers, some sprinkles going on. South of 80, just a few, but as you can see, as we get to later on in the afternoon, it's around 5 o'clock. Everything's related to the northern part of Jersey and the northern part of Pennsylvania. That's got that going on. Now, the best way to show you how this storm is working, we'll take this from this afternoon into midnight hour here, and you can see as it starts to crank and how it spins. Look up here, up towards upstate New York, little snow showing up here. This is crazy. The odds of a cold Canadian high pressure system coming down into northeastern part of the United States, including Pennsylvania. Very, very slim. very, very slim. I mean, on record, it's rare. But as you can see, the rain has a lot to do with the temperatures. This is Thursday morning. You can see it. You can see it spinning. You look right in here, you can pretty much see it. And then this is all, I mean, Connecticut and up this way getting it pretty good. And then as you can see, it goes out to sea. Here's your low right in here. You got some mixed for freezing areas up through here, some snow up here towards Mount Washington. There's a little bit up in by Hunter Mountain. You can see as it goes up and it's spinning off the coast here. This is a true nor'easter. I mean, a true nor'easter. And you got some snow up here. And this is, this is the end of May. And look at the snowing up here, freezing rain. You got the rotations bringing in rain off the lakes around it, and as you can see it spin, there's your rotation around it, and you can see where the rain is at. And this takes you into Saturday during the day, and it's just spinning around, and that's why you got some showers still in northern PA. Okay, so this is Memorial Day, and this is your radar, and this is early in the morning. And as you can see, we're kind of clear in the areas of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Memorial Day, and it's not until evening. This is around, let's see, this is around 8 o'clock, and you can start to see some rain. So most people have gotten their fun and games in, hopefully picnics in by then. Temperatures are in the 60s and even 70 here in Jersey. Along the coast, a lot cooler, around 60, 62 degrees here off the waters here, but not really much for sitting on the beach. But if you go to a boardwalk or something, it's a comfortable walk. But yeah, you can have a picnic. It might be a little chilly on you, but this isn't too bad at all. Considering all the cold temperatures we're having, Memorial Day is not too bad. Now, talking about temperatures, and remember, we so far it looks like Memorial Day is not bad. A lot of records are going to be set for low temperatures for Thursday morning, and then during the day on Thursday. Um, Northeastern PA and out in Western PA may set records for the high temperature being low. I mean, here is Mount Pocono at 42 degrees as a high. That's, to me, is insane for this time of year. And then, see, it doesn't get any warmer. And we got to go all the way to Friday. You're still in the low 40s. And then on Friday, you begin to push that cold air to the north. But Friday, look up here. Daytime highs in the 30s up here towards Wellsboro and out that way. There's this Bradford right here. So out this way, 30s, 30 degrees on May 23rd. That's nuts. And even in the Poconos, low 40s. So just give you an idea. We're going to be cold, but I think we're going to squeeze out Memorial Day. Okay, everybody be safe. Take it easy. Remember, you can go to www.weather-outlook.com. It's free. I put a lot of work into that page. Go there, watch your weather, see local forecasts and things like that. I'm trying to make that a good site to go visit, and it's free. Just go on the front page. When you see it's free, look in the right-hand corner. You'll see three little lines. Click that, and it'll literally give you an index, and just click on one of anything you want to look at. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe.